Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
The guest bedroom was messy and mismatched. Derek's changed it into a shrine to Elvis.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh.
Hey, come in. Let's close the doors.
Oh, it's unbelievable. Oh, screwed.
Seen a big
I'll tell you.
the canvas.
God.
That is-
Gosh, that's fantastic.
There's nothing you can. I don't know. Who lives in a house like this?
Elvis fans.
God,
So what do you make of these
curtains
curtains?
are fantastic.
They've covered the. You had wardrobe doors missing, didn't you?
Yeah, I forgot. Gosh, God, they're wonderful, aren't they? Is that a bed?
Yeah, a leather bed.
Those are pictures.
So what do you think, Trevor?
Fantastic. I don't know. Well, I am gobsmacked actually. Absolutely gobsmacked.
I was a bit worried when Derek showed me the black wallpaper, to be honest.
I must
But
admit,
it looks great. That lamp is absolutely gorgeous. And the bedside cabinet.
yeah. Come on, guys, I'll take you on to the next room.
Oh, you can do that again.
You love it, don't you? This was the spare room, but they wanted it as their main bedroom. Now, with the lamp up, it's a flamboyant 70s style bedroom fit for the king.
Okay.
It's the master bedroom.
Wow.
Yeah. You like it? Yeah, come through.
What's this Elvis on the curtains?
Yeah, have you seen the curtains? It says Elvis on this one and Presley on the other one.
This is like Elvis's bedroom.
Seen a bit. Bit of suede. Now these were designed with one of Elvis's jumpsuits in mind. And Julie made them.
They great, didn't they?
They found.
Brilliant.
Gosh.
So you love it?
Love it.
I think Elvis would like it actually.
So that's your
Yeah,
guest room and this is
definitely.
your main
Definitely moving
bedroom.
in
Yeah.
here.
I'm going to take you downstairs now to the kitchen
Yeah.
and dining room area.
Okay.
Okay, you ready for it?
Yeah, I think so.
Come on.
It's unbelievable, isn't it?
The kitchen was pretty dull with unfinished flooring and walls. Now look at it. The dining room was just a dumping ground for old furniture. Now there's a real Happy Days theme going on.
Las Vegas.
This is our house. This is the same kitchen, can you believe it? Hey?
Oh. Struth, look at that. 50s diner, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gosh, that's blind.
That is fantastic. Julie, I love that.
Oh,
The
yeah.
colours and...
Do you like the two colours?
Brilliant.
The turquoise and the pink?
Yeah,
That's great.
definitely.
We've always seen old ones like that have always been rusted to death.
Yeah.
Never found a nice shiny
These are
one, have we?
reproductions.
Is that
Oh,
a wallpaper then? On the wall? No, someone hasn't painted it on it. It's a wallpaper.
60 minutes, we can't do a paint
Oh.
as well, you know. What do you reckon to your blinds?
I've never seen anything like it. It's absolutely amazing.
They're fabulous, aren't they?
Las Vegas.
Viva Las Vegas. Hey.
Oh dear.
You're in shock you couldn't come
It's
through.
absolutely brilliant.
Why didn't you come and sit down?
Brilliant.
Do you want to sit here?
Okay.
Wow. Who's serving tea?
All in.
Oh, look at the ketchup.
Come on, Trevor, come and sit down.
Thank you. Wow.
Yeah?
That is.
Look at it.
You like it? That fridge is gorgeous, isn't it?
Well, the fridge was there before, and
Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely
that
amazing.
floor was a wreck.
No, it's
The
not
floor was
a
an
wreck
absolute
anymore,
wreck.
is it? Hey?
No.
Would you have chosen
Hasn't,
this
no,
colour scheme and this style? Or would you have
Well,
gone
I
for the
think we
safer
would have.
option?
No, I can't see. We'd have gone safer, wouldn't we? This is just so cool. It's like a. I'll tell you what it's like one of the places opposite Graceland.
Yeah, yeah, it's like
You
a
know,
diner.
the diner, yeah. You want a peanut butter and banana sandwich now, that's what you want. Couple
Oh,
of
that's
cokes.
absolutely gorgeous. It's
Wow.
fabulous, isn't it? I just love that fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful colour.
I've never
Derek's a
seen it.
genius. It's
That.
wonderful.
Do you like the little bar area as well? Hey?
Have our breakfast there.
Yeah.
And the
Yeah.
dogs.
Because you look at things and then you go, no, it won't go. We can't do that. But now you see it all and you can. Those Vegas blinds, like they are.
They are brilliant. And have you
Unbelievable.
noticed we've kept your ducks on the wall, see?
They're very Duckworth ducks.
Yeah. Here he is.
Oh.
Hi guys.
Hi, Derek. Look at you.
Thank you, it's fantastic.
Is everything all right?
Oh, it's amazing.
I'm Derek.
They do.
I've been reading your wardrobe.
Yeah, you can have whatever you like. I like the blue suede shoes. Is that done purposely?
It is, especially designed for you. So, did you like it?
Absolutely amazing.
Oh,
Are you shocked?
I've never seen anything like it. I don't think we ever will again.
I can't imagine it.
What's your favourite room?
Well, actually, coming in here now, I love this.
Yeah.
It's so
Every
cool.
room I
and it's
see is my
very-
new favourite.
And how about Answer the Brief? Is it Elvis Presley? Graceland?
Yeah.
Oh, most definitely.
Yeah, it's
Good.
certainly got that touch of everything Elvisy about it. I've never seen anything like it. Never seen anything like
Good.
any of this, to be honest.
Yeah.
Thank you both very much. And
You're welcome.
It's been a pleasure. The
everybody-
team have loved it.
everybody.
It's been great fun for us.
I think
Very
you've been laughing a
different.
lot, actually.
We've loved it, actually. We've loved it. So enjoy
Oh,
it.
Enjoy it.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Get on.
Thank you.
Keep discovering
Okay.
it. Take care. Bye
Oh,
bye.
well,
Take
thank
care,
you.
Julie.
That's cool.
Oh, it's been great fun.
Oh, it's
Really
It
good
is.
fun. Enjoy it.
Gosh.
Oh, dear. Should we get in the car and drive home?
Oh, well done, team. That was a bit of a mad makeover, wasn't it, eh?
What do you look like?
So from all of us here at Graceland and Tring, bye-bye.
Elvis would love this. He would. I could see him sitting in there having a peanut butter sandwich, and us joining him. I think.
For a sing-song.
For a sing-song, yeah, with the guitar off the bedroom wall. He would love it.